Yo, remember say you we look up to, you know. Remember say you call me lion, you know, my friend. So you see when we see you do certain things and I make certain move, you have to talk to you, see how you do.
And me respect that thing of vicious.
No, joke, man.
I want a whole heap of respect. You know more while when you move ignorant in you don't really see things so clear in a vicious. And them things they get enough youth killed to youth. You get to me I say, how do you walk to community brother and all the little school there? Teacher link when I'm going to say, I want to fund for you, them and them things. They see me, I remember what I say, you know, say, I got program them in the idea though.
Jump out for David, man, and say, how I get a link. Because you're very vicious. Or go on over there, nah, respect every brother. You have to go reason this out. You see?
So remember you coming like my brother and you. So no matter where you hear I go on or what's going on. You see, you know if you go up on a guard up against me.
One time, brother.
You see
So,
me?
we see that against the vicious.
At least that my brother them, man. But you don't have to know so when head cheap lick. You hear that?
Yo, Butcha, that sound like you all vicious. Yeah, man. So how about with Sher?
They say she good, bro.
She good, man. I tell you say she there with me, you know what you see?
Because you know it's a joke we are making. Yeah. Everything what we say about Sher, a joke we are making. Nothing at all. You know, if you take it serious. And you know it's just trouble we are trouble. You understand? But we are up on the road, but what I want fun. You see?
I know, we can't believe it.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I make a move up on the road.
Go on, keep
Alright,
up,
bro,
bro. Yeah, my brother.
Yeah, right thing, man, and keep safe.
I want to run off everything, you're right.
Yeah, no thing come down,
Yeah,
man. Remember, big.
active.
Yeah, that is it. That's the thing there, yeah.
Yes.
Yeti. Bubbles, them leave the juice bar and it look like them are head for a taxi.
You still up on camera?
But I see one grey car I drive slow behind them.
Which part?
Sit down there, boss.
Yo, wanna come in here?
I really just want this.
It did look like joke to you?
It's Bridget. You know what I feel like say a ranking send some people through it.
Yo, you know what that me happy right now?
Brother, you know about how the you nearly lose in life a while ago.
And Uno call the wrong man name. A ranking call me and tell me what that gonna happen today.
So Miss Bridget, how you know him not just do that as sham to make it look like him not involved?
Whisper. Take them there from them now.
Take what?
How are this?
Yeah, the brother.
What is that, brother? Brother, how are you?
Sugar.
Alright, give my woman peace. Don't see his style now.
If you can show me the permit for them there, then I get them back. You don't realize what I do.
You don't realize what you do. This time you this time we know.
So I'm ask a question. We saving on a life, not being nothing.
That's it. I waste some more time with them.
Me agree with you, you know. Cause them youth you know, realize the position where them are put to, you know. We allow them to keep them there, for protect the community. Cause we see what we do. Cause we rate to know.
But them not rate to you. All you, brother. You start looking grateful now, brother. Remember where you have to go through what day. And we see a man dead fear. So what is now?
What you mean by ungrateful? We are protect the community, yes, but we also have to protect ourselves. What if we never reach us just in time?
How are they that you just say youth? Here one. Me done with the long talking right here, so. Because uno no realize that we have to put our life on the line for uno. So here one. We are come over here and we are come lift up everything. Uno I go talk to ranking. If you not do that, uno go and become a liability to we.
And I know what that means, right?
All you. You don't realize you have a daughter. And you jump up and down like a big careless boy. And you claim say you do music. Let me tell you this. If me ever hear no name called for anything over here, so me personally I come out on a funeral. And I must not see us paint on a run.
Me no more talking with none of you, yeah? See you next time. And me I come for you.